¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué hay de nuevo? Bienvenido o bienvenida a esta lección, a la lección de hoy. Hoy vamos a hablar acerca de 4 palabras. Aquí, acá, ahí, allá. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the differences between aquí, acá, ahí, allá. Now, honestly, these are all quite similar and they're not as complex as many of us make them out to be. Now, aquí, with the little accent here, right? It's not aquí, right? It's aquí, right? Aquí means here, okay? Now, we'll kind of take a look at this down here, but aquí is a more specific version of the word here. Okay, we'll take a look at that in a little bit. Acá, okay? This is kind of the idea of over here or around here, okay? Over here, around here is kind of how we would think of this in English. Next, ahí, there, okay? The word there. And we have allá, meaning there as well, but mostly over there, around there, kind of in that general area, okay? So aquí and ahí are more specific, okay? Estoy aquí. I am here, okay? Hay una pluma ahí en la mesa, okay? There is a pen there on that table, okay? It's right there, okay? So these are more specific. Now, acá and allá are more general, okay? Just like I said, over there, around there, over here, around there, right? Around here, okay? So it's kind of a more general thing. Like, ¿estás por acá? ¿Dónde estás? Like, are you around here? Where are you? Okay? So these are more general. These are more specific. Now, if that's confusing you, honestly, the easiest way to remember these is just to say, aquí is here, acá is over here or around here, ahí is there, and allá is over there or around there. Okay? If there's anything you remember from this lesson, just let it be that. Okay? All right, so let's take a look. We have some examples on this side of the whiteboard. Okay? Aquí se habla español. Okay, so Spanish is spoken here. Okay? So aquí means here, wherever we may be in regards to this sentence. Okay? Here, we speak Spanish. Here, Spanish is spoken. Okay? ¿Estás aquí? Oye, ¿estás aquí? ¿Dónde estás? Are you here? Okay? Let's say I'm at a restaurant. Hey, amigo, ¿estás aquí? ¿Dónde estás? Are you here? Where are you? Okay, so aquí, it's here, right? More specific. Ven acá. Okay, so this is a really good phrase to know. Ven acá. Come here. Come over here. Okay, now, in this case, come around here wouldn't really make sense, but come over here. Oye, ven acá, ven acá. Hey, come over here, come over here. Check this out, right? Ven acá. Now, this little word, ven, yes, this is a real word. This is a command coming from the verb venir, meaning to come. Ven acá. Come here. Okay, come over here. Okay? La tienda está por acá. Okay? The store is around here. Okay? La tienda está por acá. Creo. The store's over here, I think. Okay? Por acá. Okay? Around here. Over here. Remember, that's kind of the prettiest English translation we have for this little word acá. Okay? Over here or around here. All right? Next. Ahí están las llaves. Now, the reason I highlighted this in red is because you may have noticed I haven't written this version of ahí down yet. Notice how this ahí has an H right here. And this one has 2 L's, okay? Why is this? Okay, they sound exactly the same. Ahí, ahí. Well, ahí spelled with an H is telling us that it's closer. Whereas ahí with 2 L's means it's a little farther away. Now, this can sometimes be kind of confusing, and frankly, when you're speaking to someone, you're not going to know if they're using this ahí or this ahí, okay? The only way you're going to know is to say, oh yeah, está ahí. Like, oh yeah, it's right there. Or, está ahí. Oh yeah, it's there. Okay, so frankly, the only real difference between these two is just in writing, and when you're speaking with someone, you'll know just based off of context clues or if they're literally physically showing you, hey, look, yeah, it's right there, okay? So, ahí están las llaves, okay? So, there are the keys, okay? There they are. They're right there, okay? They're close, okay? Mi familia vive ahí, okay? My family lives there, okay? Mi familia vive ahí, en esa casa. My family lives there, in that house, okay? So we see it, it's specific, and it's a little farther away than this ahí. But honestly, don't really worry too much about these, okay? Ahí just means there, okay? As long as you remember that, that's all that matters, all right? And finally, we have allá nos va a esperar, okay? So over there, he is going, or she is going, or even you are going to wait for us, okay? So over there, allá nos va a esperar, okay? So he's going to wait for us over there. Now, typically these guys over here, acá and allá, are typically used with some motion, okay? Some movement that's going on, okay? Just like we saw in this example. Ven acá, come over here, okay? That's a motion, ven acá. Anything where there's a movement going on. Same thing, allá nos va a esperar, okay? But like I said, if you're gonna remember anything from this lesson, just remember that aquí means here, acá means over here or around here, ahí means there, and allá means over there, okay? That's the most important thing to remember from this lesson. Don't overthink it, don't overcomplicate it, okay? This is kind of the general rule here, okay? So as long as you got those down, you will be golden. Bueno, muchas gracias por ver esta lección. Thanks so much for watching this lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment on this video. You can also send me an email at support@SpanishWithNate.com, or you can check out my website, www.SpanishWithNate.com. Gracias y espero que tengas muy bonito día. Adiós.